Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's Anya. Today I am back with another fashion DIY, recreating the super cute Chanel CC logo slides. For this project, you're going to need some jelly slides. I got these from Amazon. I will link them in the description for you guys. Also going to need some cardstock, scissors, pencil, paintbrush, and Mod Podge. I kept the C's connected for as long as I could, just so that it was easier to cut them and keep them together. The middle part definitely was the hardest part to cut, so I just made kind of like a cross in the middle and snipped them piece by piece. Keeping the C's connected by way of that little fold was definitely the right choice to make, because even with it they were still really difficult to keep together and handle, so I cannot imagine them being actually disconnected in two separate pieces of paper. So keep them connected with that fold for as long as possible, and then when you're done, boom, look at that, CC's. We're almost done. They're starting to come together. Here I'm just, don't mind my big head. I really didn't. Just like right in the camera. But here I'm just measuring them out, seeing where I should place them. I will be using Mod Podge to glue them down and to seal them up. Gonna get out paintbrushes. You need two different sizes, a smaller one to outline them on the back and actually glue them down, and then a larger one to go back over top of them with the Mod Podge and seal them in. Using the small brush and a small bit of Mod Podge, go ahead and coat the whole back of the CC. I'm so distracted right now. It's LA Pride and someone is literally performing Jay-Z and Beyonce outside my window and I want to watch so bad. But anyway, once you're done putting the Mod Podge on the back, go ahead and glue them down. Get them as centered as possible. I left the tissue paper in the shoe because I figured that would mimic the natural arch of my foot, and I wanted them to actually go with the arch and not be messed up by it. Using the big brush now, we're gonna go back over it and seal the C's in. I did the whole like band, I guess you would call that, of the slides, just so that any kind of gloss or texture that the Mod Podge added to the slide, it would be uniform across the entire front. After this, just let them dry. And I kept going over the middle part because the Mod Podge tended to pull where the arches are. Just make sure you're staying aware of that because you want it to dry clear and uniform. Now, ba-da-da-da-da-da. Wow. 10 white toes and them Chanel flip-flops. Ew. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to check out my other fashion DIYs and let me know down in the comments if you love this one. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the I always mess that up. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss when I post new videos.